In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix an SMTP error on iPhone. An SMTP error usually means your iPhone can't send email because the outgoing mail server settings are incorrect or your email account can't authenticate with the server. This can be frustrating, but let's walk through the steps to resolve it together. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. You can find the Settings icon on your home screen, usually depicted as a gear. Tapping on this icon opens a menu where you can manage all your device settings. This is crucial because it's the gateway to accessing your email settings and resolving the SMTP error. Once you have the Settings app open, you will be ready to continue. Next, tap on Apps, then select Mail and go to Mail Accounts. This section contains all the email accounts linked to your iPhone. It's important to navigate here because this is where you can edit the SMTP settings for the account that's experiencing issues. After selecting mail accounts, you will see a list of your email accounts, making it easier to pinpoint the one that needs adjustment. Now select the email account that's having the problem. This could be your Gmail, Yahoo, or any other email service you use. Choosing the correct account is vital, as modifying the wrong settings can lead to further complications. Once you select the account, you'll be directed to a new screen where you can access detailed settings specific to that email account. Next, tap on Account and then on SMTP. This step takes you to the server settings for your email account. Here, you can find the crucial settings necessary for sending emails. It's a critical step because incorrect SMTP settings are often the root cause of the error you're facing. Now, tap the primary server. This is where you will see all the SMTP settings for your email account. You will need to verify several key points. First, make sure that the server is turned on. If it is off, your device won't be able to send emails. A simple toggle can often resolve the issue, so ensure this setting is active. Next, verify that the host name is correct. The host name is essential because it tells your iPhone where to send the email through. If this is incorrect, your iPhone will fail to connect to the server. Check with your email provider for the correct host name and make any necessary adjustments. Then, check that the username is your full email address if required. This is an important detail because it identifies your account on the server. If this is not entered correctly, authentication will fail, leading to the SMTP error. Double-check this information for accuracy. Following that, ensure the password is correct. This step is crucial because an incorrect password will prevent authentication. If you've recently changed your password, update it here. Once you have verified all these settings, tap Done to save any changes. This makes sure your adjustments are stored and ready for the next step. Now return to the Mail app and try sending a new email. This is where you can test if the adjustments you made resolve the issue. If the error persists, don't worry, we have additional steps to try. Go back to Settings, then Apps, and select Mail, followed by Mail Accounts again. This enables you to access your email accounts once more. Here, you will need to delete the affected email account. This is sometimes necessary to reset everything and clear any lingering errors. After deleting the account, restart your iPhone. Restarting helps refresh the device's settings and can clear temporary issues. Once your iPhone is back on, tap Add Account and sign into your email account again. This fresh start can help establish a new connection with the server. Note, if you use two-factor authentication with your email provider, you may need to generate an app-specific password instead of using your regular password. If you're unsure about the correct SMTP settings, check your email provider's support documentation. Following these steps will help you get back to sending emails without errors.